This is a teardown of a Picolight PL-XPL-00-S13-05 module. I believe this is a SFP gigabit fiber module, but it's not labeled and I don't feel like finding out. And I think this is held together by this little piece here slipped over. But I'm not sure which way. I just realized. There's a gap up here too. I was thinking it goes out towards the front. But then I realized that this has a little bit of a lip and stuff around it. I think I can just pry this spring-loaded clip out maybe. It goes over those lips. And then it's kind of a press fit in, I believe. Weird sound in the distance. I'm gonna break that screwdriver doing that. Use a bigger one. So this is just press fit into between some metal tongs or teeth or whatever you want to call them. Ow! Watch your fingers. That's too big. This one might be big enough to not break. There we go. Just a bent piece of wire. There should be a split where this plastic is. Yeah. Usually they fold them around and then this little plastic cover is what holds it together and protects you from getting poked at the ends. Okay. So this actually comes around. It's a little collar. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna look at this with my own eyes for a second. Looks like it's glued together. Oh, maybe not. I thought maybe this was filled internally, but it's just by the lasers. And pretty typical cast aluminum housing. And here's the PCB. Bottom side, top side. Hopefully you can read those. I can't on my screen. It's upside down. But, yep, that's all that's in there. And pretty standard, I mean, for these SFP modules, but I figured maybe people would want to see the design difference between different items. So hopefully that's interesting, and thanks for watching.